Welcome back, guys, to another video. Today we will be making a glide bait out of beautiful cedar wood. And this is a good size glide bait. Here's my hand compared to it. So let's go to the bandsaw and let's cut this up. Then go to the belt sander. Okay, guys. So we sanded it, we cut it out, and here's the shape. It feels very light. So now I'm going to see how easy it is to carve this wood. It's actually carving very easy, a lot easier than I thought. Or I'm just using a very sharp knife. But it is very easy to carve. A lot of wood chips. But as you can see, right there, I carved all the corners. And believe it or not, this is really easy stuff to carve cedar. Like, it carves very, very nice. Like aspen, you need to put force on your knife blade. But cedar, it's almost close to balsa for carving. Like this is well, not like balsa, but balsa is a very awesome wood. And we got this so far. And I need to get some supper, and I'll see you tomorrow. Well, for you guys in 2 seconds. So anyways, we are going to be sanding this. Okay guys, this is what I did with 8 minutes of sanding with the, what is this? The 60 grit sandpaper. And as you can see, it is looking good. So now I think I have it all sanded. I just want to get it nice and smooth now with the 220 grit. Time to sand it.
I'm making a weird look here.
Okay, I am officially done sanding this bait. And as you can see, it is very smooth. And that cedar looks beautiful. So yeah, now let's go to the workshop when it's cooler weather and we will be adding some weight to this bait. So see you there. Hole. Or holes. Okay guys, we are back at the pond. I just finished putting the lead in it. And I put like 2 extra, so let's see what happens. Please sink. Well, plus I don't have the hooks on it. Alright guys, so here's my box of stuff. So here's the Musky screw and eyes right here. So I need 3 of those. So 3 of those, like that, and then I need 2 split rings. Okay, a little trick for you guys. To screw in these, they're long. So I have a drill bit with another screw and eye. Alright, so do that with your other end. So much work. Like that. Okay guys, we are in the workshop and now we are gonna finally paint this Musky glide bait. As you can see, here's the Musky glide bait, and the end here is gonna have a paddle tail, like a twisty tail kind of thing. And here's the weight, it's all smooth. And I think I'm going to be painting the whole bait pink. This is fluorescent pink with black stripes, and I'll have like white and black towards like the gill plate and cool eyeballs. And yeah, so the airbrush I will be painting with. Alright. So the airbrush I will be painting with is this Master airbrush. And as you can see, that is nice. And the air compressor I'm using is this Finney compressor. And I have this, which goes to this rope and then puts air to the gun and all that stuff. And right now I'm shooting about 40 PSI. And these paints right here says 40 to 50. This is the first coat of paint. This is white. First coat's white, and then, so I'm gonna let this sit outside and let this dry. And this is looking beautiful. And then we're gonna paint it all bright pink with the black stripes. Okay guys, we are outside and now we are gonna be clear coating our beautiful cedar musky glide bait. So let me show you which clear coat I'm using. We're gonna be clear coating this bait with this diamond stuff. But before we get to that, you want to wear a respirator. Thank you guys for watching today's video. It was a very fun video and we made an awesome cedar wood musky glide bait. And the clear coat is awesome on it. That KBS. So please like and subscribe and I will see you on the next video. Peace.